We're listening to a joint from my partner Jakari about Chicago State University. Right here in the Chicago State University Senate office. Check this tune out. Check this tune out. If you don't have this, make sure you get this. Because he's talking about some of the issues that the Senate and that the new student government are addressing here at Chicago State University. My name is Dan Edward Knight, and I'm a senator here at Chicago State University. So you might want to check this joint out for yourself and do something for yourself in terms of letting the knowledge that you receive sink in so you can do whatever it is that you can do on whatever level you're on right now. Like I said, we're right here at Chicago State University.